how to add motion blur to your videos. So it's very simple. Just import your video, Control I, select your video, drag it onto the timeline, and then you just have to right click on the video and select here. Select the video, right click, and here you go to open in Fusion page, or you can just select the video and make sure you have the cursor of the over the video, and you go to Fusion, and now you have the Fusion, you have the video in your Fusion page. Now here what we have to do is to select media in, write optical flow, and then we write here vector motion blur. Add. Here we need to have optical flow and vector motion blur. Perfect. And now make sure you select vector motion blur and you increase the scale. And we increase the scale. We already see some motion blur. Let's increase to 10, and now you see a lot of motion blur. Look, that's too much, obviously. And now you can also just crop the video. Press on B, crop, let's say this only portion of this video you want. You can obviously go to open in Fusion and you add this effect only to this portion of this video, but you obviously can reset Fusion composition and add this only for this portion, and you repeat the process now. Vector and optical flow. Hold shift when you're dragging this so it can connect automatically like this, and now increase the scale. And here, because I already have here a composition, we can just reset Fusion composition, and now we don't have any motion here, motion blur, and we don't want to add any motion blur either here. And now we only have motion blur to this portion of this video. So I hope this short tutorial helps you and you learned something. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.